Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Canva in desktop. So as you can see, we are in Canva, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of my recent designs. But if you wanted to, you could come up to the left and create a new design. Or if you were wanting a template for, say, your socials, you could use a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram, or whatever it is that you're wanting to do. So I'm just going to come and press this button here. Great. Okay. So once that has loaded, I'm just going to close down this column here, and then I'm just going to wait for everything to appear. Brilliant. Okay. So we're going to come over to the left-hand side and we're going to press on uploads. So as you can see, we can upload files and we've got images, we've got videos and audio. So I'm just going to select audio, and then what I'm going to do is drag this audio clip. And as you can see, it says drop music. So I'm just going to drop it there. And amazing. There we go. So that has now been dropped. I'm going to come down to the bottom and I'm just going to select duration, and that just makes everything clearer for us. And as you can see, the video is 13.8 seconds, and then that means that the audio also matches that, but our audio is actually longer than the video, and there may be a certain part of the audio that you're wanting to upload to your video. So what you can do is come up and press adjust, and then you can adjust and choose whichever part of the audio that you want to match that video. You can also change the volume as well, so you can increase or decrease the volume, and you can also fade in your audio. So that can just really help to sort of build emotion. So you can fade in at the beginning, and as you can see, that is sort of faded in, and then as I do the fade out, you'll also see that fade out. So if I just drag that, there we go, you can see that that is also faded out as well. So just a really quick one for you today, guys. I really hope you found it useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, it would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.